Imagine the air transportation system of the future, a system more convenient, flexible, and efficient than the one we have today. What would it look like? How would it affect the way we travel? And what changes would we have to make to our current system in order to bring it about? While the answers to some of these questions are tied to the aviation industry and the challenges it faces in a highly competitive market, the FAA William J. Hughes Technical Center is actively engaged in shaping the future of our air transportation system. Of course, no one knows for certain what the future will look like. Still, it's possible to get an idea of where aviation is going by talking to the people who are working today on the air transportation system of tomorrow. Ralph Yost is a pilot and an electrical engineer. He manages the Airborne Internet project and is playing a major role in its development. We climbed into the cockpit of a test aircraft to discuss the Airborne Internet concept.
Ralph, what's the idea behind the Airborne Internet?
The idea behind Airborne Internet is to provide a network connectivity to aircraft. Because aircraft are mobile objects and they're always moving from region to region, we have to also employ mobile routing and some security techniques as well. The basic concept is analogous to the way we connect our computers to the internet, in that there's a network connection that's provided. And so we're trying to provide a general purpose multi-application data channel for aircraft and people in transit to use.
What would be some of the advantages of having this data channel?
Well, some of the immediate advantages that we see is the potential opportunity to consolidate flight deck functions in the cockpit of the airplane. The way we've been doing things over the years in the aviation community is each time we wanted to provide a new source of information in the cockpit, we've invented a totally new and unique system to provide that information to the cockpit. The concept behind Airborne Internet being a multi-application data channel that's commonly used is to take the current and heritage analog systems that we've been using, convert them over to digital, and use the common data channel, thereby providing an opportunity to consolidate some of this flight deck equipment into much less equipment.
What kind of impact might Airborne Internet have on air traffic control?
Airborne Internet could possibly provide a tremendous impact on air traffic control in a very positive way. Enhancement and an augmentation of our position reporting that's currently being done by our ground-based radar systems, as well as better and increased position reporting for our oceanic segments of flight. We also know that we can do digitized voice over the data channel. There's also been significant consideration to using the data channel to stream black box data from the aircraft to the ground instead of waiting for an aircraft to crash before you retrieve it.
Shaping the future of our National Airspace System, the NAS, is at the heart of the Technical Center's mission. It's part of a larger effort that's leading to the transformation of the NAS to make it a higher capacity, more efficient system while maintaining our outstanding level of safety. As new ideas and technologies emerge, the research, development, and testing will take place here, where all the systems that comprise the operational NAS exist within one facility. And when these new technologies are ready to be deployed, the Technical Center will integrate them into the NAS. It is this total systems perspective, coupled with an expertise that exists nowhere else, that will ensure the transformation of the NAS into the air transportation system of the 21st century. If you'd like to find out more about the Technical Center's work in other areas of aviation, please select another video segment.